Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin price action found critical support around 117K, and my long wave strategy finally flashed fresh long entries. On the 1-hour chart, the signal came at 116.7K, while the 2-hour chart confirmed at 116.9K. I opened 2 new long positions and have started scaling into them. So far the trades look solid, but money flow is weakening on both timeframes. We may need to be patient here, possibly waiting for a bullish catalyst like a fresh news driver or stronger ETF accumulation, combined with the ongoing low coin supply on exchanges and OTC desks. Checking the 1-day liquidation heat map, the nearest hot pocket sits just above us around 118.8K, with another key level visible around 121.3K. Below current price action, the heat map shows a liquidation zone near 115.4K. Zooming out to the 1-week liquidation heat map, the only visible hot zone rests around 115.5K. In short, the structure remains short-term bullish, though we could potentially sweep the 115.5K zone in the medium term before heading higher toward 118.8K, then 121.3K, and finally 124K. Looking at ETF flows, yesterday's numbers before BlackRock's reporting showed a total outflow of $97.3 million. However, BlackRock reported a massive inflow of $394.7 million, flipping Monday's total into a strong inflow of $297.4 million. That is a very bullish inflow for what started as a downturn day. Today's numbers are coming in as well, with pre-BlackRock data showing a minor outflow of $13.2 million. Given the trend, this is likely to turn into another positive inflow once BlackRock reports. In other news, a significant story is unfolding. Recent reports indicate that an individual related to a high-ranking government official is involved in a developing situation, massively close to finalizing a $4 billion deal with Adam Back. The goal: acquire billions in Bitcoin through a Cantor Fitzgerald-backed investment vehicle. Adam Back is reportedly negotiating to contribute up to 30,000 Bitcoin, worth over $3 billion, to Cantor Equity Partners 1. In return, Back and Blockstream Capital would receive shares in the newly rebranded investment vehicle. Combined with Cantor's other venture, 21 Capital, total Bitcoin purchases could approach $10 billion this year. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.